Look at this one. Where's my fucking money?
Did you bet doggy?
No, I didn't. Dogecoin. What's up, Albert? Dogecoin to the moon, guys. We should have listened to Elon and bought Dogecoin. How we doing? Oh, we got Party Finance in the house. Say hi to TikTok world. Dictator. Moon time.
Do you know this one?
No, I've never heard of it. Annie's showing me some Chinese stocks.
This is not Chinese stock.
What is it?
Check.
What's
check.
it?
Google it.
Console Energy? What's so good about it?
It's just like everything go down, this one only usually go up, and then I made it like 65% from this one.
That's like gambling. You're just
no, it's
buying.
not gambling.
How did you learn about it then?
From someone on YouTube.
On YouTube? Nice. So what did the YouTube person say about this? Console Energy?
Yeah, go check this one.
It's a small market cap. That means it's dangerous. Annie's trying to pump her stock. It's Console Energy. Console Energy. What's the ticker?
See.
What's the ticker? I know, but what's the ticker? CEIX. CEIX. If you want to invest in Annie's pump and dump, buy CEIX, right?
Yeah.
CEIX, if you want to get into Annie's pump and dump. So are we talking about stocks or are we talking about crypto this morning? Are we talking about Elon? Elon screwed us, guys. He got us good. Frickin' Elon. SHIB. How do you buy SHIB coin? Do you have to like convert your BNB tokens? Yeah, he is a troll. He is a troll. I know, the market's been tough, guys. The market's been brutal. Okay, Console Energy. He actually did. Elon did. He was like, oh, what are you going to get me for Mother's Day or something? And Elon's like, Dogecoin. Exactly, but what are you buying? That's the question. What are you trying to buy more of? Because you don't want to buy the crap coins. Have I made any money on TikTok? Not really. I don't do the creator fund because I'd rather get more followers. And I'm not trying to make money on TikTok. I'm trying to get people to invest. Okay, cool, Annie. Annie's got a stock she's trying to pump. Manic went up 30%. Okay. But yeah, I don't try to make money on TikTok. I try to get people to invest. And then I just talk about my investments and what I think is good. Yeah. So you have to use Ethereum or UST to get the dog coins. Everyone should just buy Voyager. What about Coinbase? Coinbase is getting cheap. I bought some Coinbase this morning. I think Coinbase under 250 is a great stock or price.
Why?
Because Coinbase is going to go to the moon, and
Why
also.
I look so skinny?
What?
Why I look so skinny?
You're not skinny? Where does my passive income come from? Real estate. Let's just be honest, guys. The only reason I can sit here and TikTok during the day is because of real estate. Okay, so you have Cash App. So on Cash App, if you mess around, it should allow you to buy Bitcoin and stocks. So I would Google, Sina. I think you have the same name as me, Sina. I would Google how to buy stocks, or go on YouTube how to buy stocks and Bitcoin with with Cash App. Does anyone here have Cash App? Has anyone bought? What's up, Sinister? We're trying to explain how you buy a stock or a crypto with Coinbase. Are they going to go to the moon? Does anyone here use Cash App to buy their stocks or crypto? There we go. Can you explain in the chat how you do it? Good morning. I'm happy I opened your guys' eyes. Where do you think is the floor for Bitcoin? I don't know, 40,000? 40,000. But I'm just buying. Every 1,000 Bitcoin goes down, I buy a little more. Oh, my dictator's leaving. Chinese dictator leaving. What? I see you soon, okay? Bye.
So what's your plan for today?
Plan for today is do whatever dictator Annie tells me. I do whatever the Chinese dictator tells me.
What's your plan for today?
Listen to my dictator.
What's your plan for today?
Listen to dictator Annie.
What's your plan for today?
Do whatever Annie says. I can only buy Bitcoin through Cash App. Okay, that's a start, but I know you can buy stocks on Cash App too. I know you can buy any stock you want. You just have to mess around with the app. Let him work. Ethereum, I like Ethereum under 3,000. Is Bitcoin going up? Not for now. I think Bitcoin's going to go down more. It's the Chinese dictator, huh?
What's your plan for today?
What's my plan for today? Listen to whatever dictator Annie says.
Are we going to have dinner with your mom?
Yeah, that's fine. Let's do Persian food though, right?
House?
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Cash App isn't super secure. My friend's account got hacked while at a truck stop. Yeah, but what if you have crypto and stocks? I feel like it's a lot harder. If you have cash on Cash App, you might have to worry about it, but I don't know. I just think Cash App and Robinhood are easy ways to buy stocks, but Interactive Brokers is the best way to buy it. Okay, bye. All right. I'm good. My dictator keeps asking for questions.
Okay.
By the way, Chuck, if you're available, Chuck, let's do a double live.
Be quiet, okay?
Yes, my dictator. I love Square. That's a great stock. Square, if you guys are looking to buy stocks, Square and Airbnb is what I'm buying. Annie's finally gone. No, I'm not married to the dictator. Blockify or Voyager? Both. Use both. Has anyone here bought stocks on Cash App? That's what I need to say. Next time when she asks me, what are your plan? What are your plan? I'm going to be like, I'm going to exactly say what you said. Pimpin' hose and slamming Cadillac doors. That's what I'm going to tell Annie next time. Square's a douchebag company. Aw, but I like Square because it helps people buy Bitcoin and stocks with no fees. And what I understand with Square, you can buy $10 or $5 of Apple, Amazon, Bitcoin. Yeah, you just keep buying, especially under 200. And I love Redfin. Redfin, Zillow. Okay. Redfin and Zillow are great stocks. I love both of them. You can't go wrong with Redfin and Zillow. You should marry her. Yeah, that's what people say. You can do AT&T. It pays dividends. It just sits there. But AT&T's not bad. If I just like more growth in my stocks. Yeah, okay, so Cash App might not be the best way to get payments because people can dispute the charge and it goes in their favor, but buying stocks in crypto, you don't have to worry about a dispute. I have the option to buy. It's the clock at the bottom. There you go. I've made a lot of money. I just sold half my position. I don't sell Square, man. I wouldn't sell Square. Oh man, okay, I have someone calling me. He's probably gonna be stupid. His name is King Vaughn. But okay, let's see how King Vaughn is. What's up?
What's up?
King Vaughn, what do you do on TikTok? All right, hold on. I gotta reset it because my volume's all messed up. Hold on one sec. No way. You bought Square at $13? No way. Dude, stay away from Bittrex. I've lost a lot of money on Bittrex, dude. Bittrex is a crazy exchange. I don't know if I would want to go back on that. I didn't see the news on AT&T. It's up 6%. Oh, because they're acquiring, right? AT&T's buying more assets. Doge? I don't know. Doge is kind of a joke, but Elon's pumping it. Yeah, AT&T is merging with Discovery. Yeah, yeah. So that's true. I actually bought AT&T. Hey, from Denmark. What's up? What do you think Elon's trying to do to the crypto market? I don't know. He's making money on it. I don't know what CRC is. I've heard of MindMed. I don't know what kind of stock that is. You need a Puan? Can you stake your crypto in a hardwood wallet? No, that's why I don't like hard wallets, because you can't get interest on your crypto. Wow, dude, he bought it in 2016. He bought Apple for 18 bucks. I like Ethereum under 3,000. I like it, but I think there's more downside. Hello, John Rambo. Nice. Merging with, sorry. I don't know what CRC is. I've never even heard of that. CRC. Oh, that's the mushroom stock, huh? Is the stock on mushrooms? It's okay. You just need to get to 1,000 followers, my friend. All right, you got eight followers. Okay, so follow him. Follow him. Let's get him to 1,000 followers. Do you keep your winnings in the exchange? Yeah, I keep it in exchange and I get paid. I could have bought Apple at 90 bucks in 2016. Yeah, that would have been. Yeah, it's not easy getting 1,000 followers. That's for sure. My fucking money. So I still don't know if I would want to invest in that stock. I think I would do an ETF. Only the best have 1K. Hey, do you want to do a double live? Crypto Denmark? Mr. Denmark, you think Ethereum? I want to ask Mr. Denmark. Mr. Denmark loves crypto, so I would love to talk to him. I bought Amazon, wow, and sold 7,500%. Yeah, you don't want to sell Amazon. What should I buy? I bought Square, Airbnb, Taiwan Semiconductor. Even though my live stream's gonna get throttled when I say that, I still like AMD. I think AMD, Uber's still a good price. DraftKings, I like DraftKings. Penn Gaming. There's a lot of good stocks right now that are cheap. Oh, you have a guest in the house. You can't. Okay, no worries. No worries. Yeah, but I think long term Airbnb is gonna make a lot of money. I bought I bought Tabrizi's Zoom course, woke up without a kidney. Maybe later. Hello, my name is Jose. I am in the rat race. One piece of advice to escape. Take 50 bucks and put it into, I don't know, Coinbase on the floor. Maybe buy $50 of Coinbase. Check out Willy Coin. Willy Coin. What the heck is Willy Coin? You gotta give us some more info. What is Willy Coin? That is freaking hilarious. Mr. Tabrizi will never finish entertaining us, guys. I don't think Mr. Tabrizi will ever get old. Get Tabrizi in the live. I don't know where Tabrizi is. I think he's driving around. So if Dodge goes to $10, I'm taking 10% and buying property. I don't think Doge is going to go to $10 anytime soon. I think it's going to take a while until Doge gets to $10. $7 million market cap. Long-term asset by July for me. I'm taking 10%. Remember me, I'm in the eBay Uber driver guy. I love Uber. Willy coin? No, it's Chaos coin. Everyone here is investing in Chaos coin. We don't invest in Willy coin. Chaos coin is going to the moon. I'm going to take my money, talk about stocks all day with random people, and then invest it tomorrow. Shiba to the moon. How long will Bitcoin be down? Not for long. I love you, man. Where can I buy Chaos coin? It's exclusive, dude. You can't get Chaos coin. It's not that easy to get. It's kind of like Fight Club. You can't talk about it. Chaos coin, you got to be like super, super executive, you know? Yeah. Chaos coin is not an easy coin. It's not like the rest of these crap coins. I bought Bitcoin at 9,000 last year. There you go. It's Sinister. Where did Sinister go? I think Sinister left the chat. He went to go buy some more Chaos coin. Sinister left us to go buy more Chaos coin. It was a disappointment. He let me down. He let me down. All right, let's see who else we got here on the chat. I'm thinking of inviting someone. I don't know. We got 28 people in the chat. Does anyone here in the chat have the ability to go live? Did the insurance? No, dude. My house is still in shambles. My house caught on fire, and it's been 2 months, and Lemonade has yet to respond. So do not get Lemonade insurance, because you're probably not going to get paid, or they're going to make you wait a really, really long time. Yep, insurance is a scam. Insurance is the best scam ever. Give me money now so I don't pay you later. That's literally the insurance business model. Yeah, it's a good stock. Everyone here buy Lemonade because they have a great business model. I would buy both. I'm probably more bullish on Cardano, but I think when it comes to smaller altcoins, you should probably diversify. What does Crypto Danmark think? If it was me, I'd probably do $600 Cardano, $400 VeChain. I would rather have more Cardano than VeChain. Yeah, 60-40 is what I like. Because those are both really good cryptos. So I would definitely try to own both. Yeah. Why am I up so early? It's 9 o'clock in California. I normally wake up at 6 because the stock market opens at 6:30 California time. So I was buying stocks right before I went live and never sell. I don't know. I think Cardano and VeChain are never sell assets. It's a carpet munch. You guys are hilarious. That is freaking hilarious. Dude, so I'm getting the 10%. It's great. So my first real estate investor is putting $1 million into Blockify. Real talk, guys. He's gonna put $1 million and collect 10% on $1 million. I think Coinbase. If you want to buy crypto New York, Coinbase and Gemini. I like Ethereum under 2,000. If you can get Ethereum under 2,000. Oh yeah, I forget. I'm the greatest city that has the market at 9:30. I haven't done a live in a while, to be honest, guys. I've just been busy, but I try to do it every morning when the stock market opens. So Monday through Friday. If you want me to go live, I'll probably be going live around that time. All right, cool, man. Good luck with your Zoom. Why is Cardano and VeChain never sell coins? They're both legitimate projects. They've been around in the crypto sphere. It's not like a new project. Like Cardano and VeChain have been around for more than 5 years. And it's just there's a lot of new scam coins. And I know that Cardano and VeChain are serious projects. Don't take a loan from Blockify. Blockify sucks. Do Celsius if you want a crypto loan. I was getting Ethereum for 125 bucks. Coinbase don't give you interest or loans. Yeah. Toothless TikTok is now accepting Chaos Coin. Cardano is solid. I think Bitcoin's going to recover because of the network. I think that it's going to be cheap, so people are going to buy it. You know, this is a good time to get into Bitcoin. Yeah, no worries. Let me know if come back on Cena if we have the same name. But let me know. The easiest way to invest is to just do it. Buy $5 of Bitcoin, buy $5 of Apple, buy $5 of Amazon. That's what you should do. I'm really not teaching. I'm just telling you guys to stop doing research and go buy it. Research is overrated. Just go and do it. Especially when the market is going down, that's a good time to enter, right? Elon can't kill Bitcoin. Elon can just trim the price. Bitcoin's still going to go to $100,000. Watch. And what Elon's doing is good. What he's doing is he's going to force the miners to use green energy. So I do feel like Bitcoin and some of the miners that are involved with Bitcoin, they're going to be looking for alternative energy sources. I believe ExxonMobil is going to get into Bitcoin too. I know ExxonMobil made like a statement. They're going to use some of the energy that they normally just like waste. They're going to use it to mine crypto. So that's why I wouldn't get out of Bitcoin, because ExxonMobil is going to be mining it and making the price go up, and Bitcoin's the most secure network. But that's why I diversify. It's not even that big of a dip, guys. I mean, what? It was like 50,000, 60,000. No, there's still like 3 million Bitcoin left to mine. I think we're at 18 million and we got 21. What do you use to transfer crypto gains to stocks? No. You get a loan. If you have crypto gains, go to Celsius. I even have a link, I believe, for my Celsius, and get a loan on Celsius. It's the best place that I know of so far. You can Google it, but yeah, ExxonMobil said they're gonna take, because like basically when you are discovering oil and gas, there's a lot of like natural gas that you got to burn off, and Exxon's gonna take all that extra energy they normally burn off and use it to I wish I diversified. I went all in Ethereum. Yeah, exactly. I think diversification is key, because like one day Ethereum's up, next day it's down. I don't understand how to trade. You don't trade, you buy and hold. You buy Apple and you just hold it. You buy Amazon and you just hold it. You buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, you just hold it. I sold most of my Bitcoin and I bought Ethereum. Now I have a hangover. Yeah, I stay diversified, guys. I don't try to predict the winner. I just try to own a little bit of all of it. How does merging work? Also, people need to take profits. I don't know if you really need to take profits if you have a good stock like Amazon or Apple. Yeah, go download Cash App or Robinhood. Download Cash App or Robinhood. You can click on my profile link and literally just go buy $5. Start with $5. Buy $5 of Apple, buy $5 of Amazon, buy $5 of Bitcoin, buy $5 of Ethereum. Good for you. You bought Ethereum and VeChain. You got them in January. If I were you, I would hold it till the next January, so you pay less. The way you invest is literally you just click on my profile link. You leave the live stream, you click on my profile link, you can choose Cash App, Robinhood, Interactive Brokers, and then you buy stuff. Why do you think Bitcoin is going down, and when do you think it will go back up? All right, someone's inviting me. This better not be lame. Don't be lame. Hello.
Hey, what's going on? How are you?
Why are you TikTok famous? How did you get 1,000 followers?
Oh, I got a couple thousand followers. I don't know if I'm TikTok famous. I'm a musician. I write my own music. I'm a singer-songwriter. I sing for people.
Okay. Are you gonna do the NFT? Are you gonna like sell your songs as like digital assets? Have you heard about that? NFTs?
Well, yeah. I mean, I'm on Spotify. I'm on YouTube. You want to hear the new one I'm working on? What's your name, buddy?
My name is Dean.
All right,
Dean,
Dean. Good to meet you. You want to hear the newest one I'm working on?
sure, go for it.
All right. This
Do
is
it.
called Simple Uneventful Life. I got a lot of exciting things going on in my music this year. So here we go.
Go
I'm
for
just
it.
living and loving every single minute of a simple uneventful life. Taking my time and paying no mind, living any way I like. And I may get tuned every now and then, but I ain't gonna get too gone, 'cause I don't wanna miss a single minute of my simple, uneventful life. I like to wake up early, I like to stay up late, I like to drink my corn from a mason jar, take a drive out by the lake, drop a worm in the water, just to see what bites. When we get that lawn chair party started, you can bet we'll be all night. Yeah, we'll be all night. I'm just living and loving every single minute of a simple, uneventful life. Shooting beer cans and laughing. We're
Uh-oh, his internet's not so good.
tuned every now and then. Ain't gonna get you gone, 'cause I don't want to miss a single minute of my simple, uneventful life. Well, there you go, guy.
That's
There you go,
good.
Dean. Appreciate you, brother.
That's some good singing. Come
Well, I've
back
been
on.
writing for
Do you,
about a
do you have do you have any
year.
digital assets? I want to tip you. Do you have a Bitcoin Cash wallet? I can send you some Bitcoin Cash as a tip. Do you have
Yeah,
any crypto wallets yet or no?
I'm in Dogecoin. I'm in Dogecoin. Yeah.
Oh, you got Dogecoin? Okay, send us your Dogecoin wallet. If you put your Dogecoin wallet address on your TikTok profile, people can send you Dogecoin as like a tip.
Oh, that'd be cool. Yeah, I never
Yeah,
even
yeah,
thought
you can
about
get
that.
paid in
Yeah, that'd be.
Dogecoin. You can get paid in other coins too. You just need to figure out how to find your wallet address, and then people just copy and paste your wallet address, and they can give you a tip.
Oh, sweet, man. I'm glad. Hey, thanks for telling me that, Dean. Matter
Yeah,
of
yeah.
fact, that's what I love about this. I love this. I love this platform because you can connect with people, and I'm all about connecting with people. I'm a sociable guy, obviously, right? um, you probably can tell that. I love people. I look for the good in them. I look for the good in life, and you know, I think my life is better because of that. I'm not saying that I don't have my moments just like anybody else, but the thing being is, um, I wake up every morning. I say what I'm grateful for in my life out loud to myself, and I think it gives me a better outlook on life. So, um, and I love. I don't care what color you are, what part of the world you come from, what religion you are. It does not matter to me. If you're a good person, I can see that. That's all that matters to me. So,
Amen to that. Amen to that. I appreciate that. So yeah, let us know if you can figure out your wallet address. If you can't figure out what your wallet address is, come back on my live stream and we'll help you get your wallet set up so you can get tipped in Dogecoin.
sweet. No, that'd be great, brother. Hey, keep in
What
touch
app?
for sure, man. I don't want to take up your life, but yeah,
Oh,
let's
no, no,
keep
no,
in
no. It's
touch for
all
sure.
good. What app are you using to hold your Dogecoin? What app? Do you know? What
Right now, I'm just
application?
using Robinhood. I just got my money sitting there, but I need to set up a wallet. I used to have a Bitcoin wallet. I jumped out of Bitcoin 2017, kind of kicked myself in the butt for that, but I made some good money on it. I made some
All
good
right,
money on it, but
let me give you a recommendation, okay? I'll message you, I'll DM you a link to Voyager. you can hold Dogecoin, and they pay you 2% interest on your Dogecoin if you leave it there. And if you have US dollars, they'll pay you 9%. And it's a digital wallet, and you can buy the stock. It's a
Sweet.
publicly traded company. Cool.
Sweet.
I'll
Yeah,
message
cool.
you the link.
Please message me, Dean. Sure.
And then when you get me
I'm glad you
that
did.
wallet address, when you give me that wallet address, I'll give you some Dogecoin, okay? I'll tip you some Dogecoin.
Yeah, that'd be pretty cool, man. And hey, Dean, I appreciate you telling me your real name, man, because I'm all about. I'd rather shake your hand and meet you personally than text you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's cool. What state are you in? I'm in California.
I'm right now.
What state?
I haul oil, but I'm getting Wyoming.
It cuts out. Your internet's going in and out. You must have bad internet wherever you are. What state? One more time. Uh-oh.
I live in Utah.
Okay, Utah. Okay, cool. I'm in California, so you're not too far away.
I live in
All
St.
right, well, hit
George,
me
if
up.
you know where that's.
Yeah, I know where Georgia is. I used to live in Atlanta.
No,
Let me know when you're in Vegas. I love Vegas. So if you ever go to Vegas, let me know. I'll meet you there.
Oh no, I go to Vegas all the time to go to the studio.
Nice. Awesome. That's
I'm
awesome,
working
man.
with a producer in Las Vegas, so yeah.
Okay. Dope. All right.
I'll definitely shout
we'll
out.
have to do a live stream
down.
from Vegas. If we ever meet up in Vegas, we'll do a live stream from Vegas. All right, man. I'll send you the information, and hopefully we can all tip you Dogecoin for your beautiful singing.
All right.
All right. Have a good one, man.
Thank you, Dean.
Thank you for coming on.
You too, brother.
Hold on. I'm going to reset this. That was interesting. That was cool. So we had a truck driver, huh? Yeah, that was cool. There's a lot of lame people, man. Very LOL. That was nice of you. No, it's cool, man. It's cool, nice talking to people. Yeah. That's what's cool about this app, man. It lets us all connect. And yeah. Exactly, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, dude. Great voice. Need a Miami trip again. Yep. Truck driver from Utah is very happy and has a good singing voice. I wish I had a voice like that. And I wish he had better internet. I don't know about you guys, but it cut out a lot. So I need him to come back on when he has like better internet so we can hear it in higher quality. Yeah. I'll go to Miami again soon. Don't worry. Do you have any tips on how to beat gambling addiction? Well, my brother has a gambling addiction and he does Gamblers Anonymous. I'm driving for Uber. Whatever I make is going to go in the markets tomorrow. There you go. That's a good mindset. Buy some Uber stock. XRP to the moon. He's probably on the road and using his data, yeah. So crypto to back why it's all going down. Definitely buy Uber the stock. I love Uber stock. I think it's a good stock. Where are you driving Uber? What market? Ooh, Shiba. I don't know. Hey, Mark, would you like to do a live stream right now? Mark my world. Sina, sing us a song? Nah, man, I'm not a singer, bro. I'm a YOLO Bitcoiner. Why did you sell your Uber? Oh, Dallas, Texas. My friend lives in Carrollton. I got a buddy in Carrollton. Why'd you sell your Uber? Uber's a great stock. I wouldn't sell it. All right, cool. Go live. Go live. We're already friends. And join my live stream. Come on, don't. No, it's a paper handing sissy. You're a paper handing sissy when you sell when the market's going down. If you sell when the market's going up, then you're diamond handing. Let's make this morning about live music. Texas is flooded everywhere. Was there like a huge rainstorm in Dallas? Yeah, Carrollton's a nice area. My old fleet engineer, make a YOLO. Dude, can someone do that? Is anyone here like a sound artist? Take like take a bunch of my sound clips and make a T-Pain song. I want like a T-Pain auto-tune song about YOLO buy Bitcoin. Shorty, I'm gonna buy you a Bitcoin. All right, here we go.
Oh, what's going on, my man?
How we doing?
Doing good, doing good. How are you?
Well, this guy took all my money. Freaking Elon,
That's so
dude.
true, man. Hey, so I asked you a question in the comments, man. What do you honestly think about Shiba?
So it's not like a real project. I feel like it's like a kind of like a pump and
Right.
dump. So if you want to get in quick, make a little profit,
Yeah.
go for it.
Nice.
But you know me. I'm like a fundamentals, like just buy
Of
and
course.
put it in like a bank and get like stake your crypto. Here, let me change my background really quick so I can show people.
Hey, so I had a question for you because I took your advice on the whole. Is it the Voyager app? Or
Yeah,
Voyage?
yeah. I was gonna show you really quick. Hold on, let me pull it up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull it up really. Here we go.
All right.
So yeah, these are the coins I like because, like I said, like you can do the Shiba coins, you can do all that, but eventually you
Right.
want to take profits and get one of the coins that pays you high interest, and these are all kind of safe. And I really like Cardano right now, Cardano and
Gotcha.
Ethereum.
Nice. Yeah, I ended up doing that. Unfortunately, it told me that I had to wait like 12 weeks for it to get approved or something.
Yeah, it's probably backlogged right now. So
Dang.
yeah,
That's
have you tried
insane.
Blockify? Blockify is another way to do it. Do you have
I think
Coinbase?
it's not. I do have Coinbase. So with
Just use
Blockify, would I
Coinbase
need a
Pro.
VPN or something?
No, Blockify you should be able to work. Are you in New York?
No, I'm in Texas, Dallas.
You should be fine. No, you should be
Okay.
fine with thing. But try if you already have a Coinbase, you can download
Right.
the app Coinbase Pro, and the
I got
fees
it.
are really low. Yeah, the fees are
Okay.
really low on Coinbase Pro.
Nice. All right, I'll get into that then. Definitely. How's
Yeah.
everything going on your end, man? Are you making some money over here or what?
Well, no, because obviously the markets are going down. So I'm actually right now
Right.
buying. So it's a red day, but I'm just gonna keep buying. The main thing is I haven't sold anything. If I'm gonna sell, I'm gonna wait for like a couple of green days and then maybe I'll sell a little bit. But
Right.
yeah, I don't sell on the red days.
Let me ask you this, just roughly, just so that way, because I've always kind of, been on the live and wondering, what are people investing per day in crypto? So like, what do you typically invest on a daily basis? How much?
To be honest, 100% honest, I usually don't invest anything because I do a lot of staking. But like
Okay.
when Bitcoin goes down, I'm usually buying $50 to $100 worth. And I think like yesterday, because there was like a big crash, I probably put in like another $500 into
Gotcha.
Bitcoin. But I
Nice.
try to set a limit, like I don't want to spend more than like 500 to 1,000 in crypto a day just to space it
Right.
out. That way I'm kind
Right.
of like averaging in whether it's going up or down.
Nice. So what do you
Yeah,
do for a living yourself? Do you have your own business or you just do cryptos? Or I
real
mean,
estate.
real
No.
estate.
So I
Okay.
invested in real estate back in 2010 when everything was cheap. And then I
Yeah.
was lucky enough to find some investors to buy properties with me. And then believe it or not, you heard about they're doing 10%. They're paying you 10% on your dollar for Blockify.
Really?
Yeah, they're just for 3 months. It's just for 3 months.
That's still
So
really good.
So I got one of my real estate investors to put in $1 million. He's going to be putting in, yeah, you can only put in 25,000 a day, but he's literally
Right.
putting in 25,000 a day, and he's going to give Blockify $1 million and try to get 10%. And then we set up an automatic buy because it pays 8%, right? So he should
Right.
be getting what is that, like $80,000 a year on interest. So we've set up automatic buys on Blockify every week. It automatically just buys $100 of Bitcoin, $100 of Litecoin, $100 of Chainlink, and then there was one other crypto you can buy, Ethereum, and $100 of Ethereum. So
Wow.
so every week on Blockify, it just automatically buys $400 of the four cryptos, and so he's just using the interest on Blockify to just buy the cryptos. But yeah, he doesn't really believe in crypto, so he still thinks
Yeah.
it's better to have it cash and
Yeah.
get the 8.6%. But what he does is he takes his profit from the interest and he buys a little bit of the crypto.
That's awesome.
And the reason I have a lot of rich friends, you have to realize in California, people are stupid rich. This guy like lives in Malibu. So if you live
Holy
in Malibu,
crap.
you're usually stupid. Yeah, he's usually stupid rich. If you guys want to check out his vineyard, he's got a vineyard too. If you guys want to buy wine from Malibu, Tower 7. Tower 7 in Malibu
I'm gonna
wine.
write that down. Tower
Yeah.
7.
Yeah.
Nice. Cool, man. Well, I wanted to pick your brain a little bit. I always enjoy jumping on your lives, dude, and just kind of seeing where you're at. Seeing, so what's the next move? Like, what do you think's coming up on the forefront?
So I think that tech is really undervalued right now, right?
Okay,
There's been a
as in how?
rotation, right?
Like data, like just technology in general. The
Look at tech stocks. So for example, I do feel like real estate technology stocks are going to be like huge because like,
okay,
why would you give your agent like, I feel like real estate agents are really inefficient. Like why are they getting 3% when like now
right,
most of the data you can get on the internet? So for example, I really like Redfin and Zillow because
right,
but like Zillow basically sells ads to real estate agents and it makes sense because a lot of people will use the Zillow app. Redfin will
right.
allow you to buy or sell a property for 1%. So like why give 3% to an agent when you
Yeah,
can use Redfin? So
exactly.
these are both stocks. Like I think Redfin at one point was $80, Zillow was like $150, and now Zillow is like $100 and Redfin's $50. So
Huh.
so when it corrects that heavy, I like buying those stocks. But there's other stocks
Right,
out there that have gone down. Like Open Door is another one
right.
someone mentioned.
Okay,
So I would be looking for deals like that.
okay.
And then there's like more stable ones too, because like like for example, Airbnb was $180. It's $130. Like Airbnb is not going to go away. There's going to be so many
Right,
people using Airbnb, and it's just not like your market's just not the U.S. It's all over the
right.
world. Like even
Exactly.
old people, like boomers. Like I know boomers that are like, oh, I got an Airbnb, and I'm like, man, if the boomers are using Airbnb, like it's not going to go away.
That's how you know it's getting old right there, man. No, but it's
And then
good. It's good.
Uber's another tech stock that went down a lot, and like
Okay.
Uber Eats is not going away. We have a guy in my live stream. I don't know if you saw that, but he's Ubering right now, and he's like taking his
Yeah,
Uber profits to buy stocks. So
that's
I think
insane.
that's another good stock.
That's
Um,
awesome.
but yeah, so it's just not
Well,
stocks. I think you should also look at crypto too, because crypto's on the down. So
yeah,
I would be looking at both tech stocks and crypto.
nice. And these are all the cryptos behind you that you recommend, basically.
Yeah. Yeah, because
Nice.
they pay interest, and there's like you're not
Yeah,
taking a lot of risk. You're not
I
taking as much
gotcha.
risk as like the Shiba Inu or like the smaller crap coins.
Right, right.
So and I
Cool,
don't
man.
like say you shouldn't. Like if you
Yeah.
want to go ahead and go into the small coins, just remember to take some profit. And
Okay.
at the end of the day, it never hurts to hold some cash and get paid 9%. Okay, it
Okay.
never
Yeah.
hurts. And
Yeah. No, 9% is nothing to joke about, man. That's a lot of interest. I mean, especially like I was telling you, I work in banking. I work for a banking institution, so we're not paying anything in interest. Let's just be honest, right? 0.005 or 0.05%. Come on, 0.25%. Really? I mean, look, you got 9% sitting behind you. Why not throw it in there?
Yeah, I bank with Bank of America, and I have to have a minimum balance for my business accounts of
Right?
$5,000. They don't pay
Yeah.
me any interest, and
Nothing.
they charge me like a $20 fee if I go below. It's like so crazy.
I
So
know, nickel and diamond, man. That's what it is. That's what it is.
yeah,
So,
yeah,
but
that's the
anyways,
banking
Dean,
industry.
yeah, man. It's always good to talk to you, man. I'm gonna let you
I'm
get
back.
back to it, but
Okay,
we'll keep in contact. I'm gonna
all right.
jump in on some lives for you.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, man. Good to talk to you, man. Have a great day.
Talk to you soon, man.
All right.
All right, one sec. What dipped down to 65%? What went down to 65%? Yeah, man, I hate banks, dude. Oh, Ethereum. You're talking about Ethereum. My high school friend owns Airbnbs in Texas. Yeah, Airbnb in Texas is probably gonna do well. Hey, Jolly. Can Jolly go live now? Hey, Jolly, let's go live. I've never done a live stream with you. Jolly, if you're available, if you want to go live, let me know. My gains. Can we buy crypto on Voyager or Blockify, or do we transfer there? You can buy it. I think Lyft is not a bad stock to own, especially under $50. Like, I would have more Uber than Lyft. So, like, let's just say I was investing $100. I would probably put $80, $70 in Uber, and then maybe like 20, $30 in Lyft. I still think it's always good to own a little bit of the competition. So I would never just put $100 in Uber or $100 in Lyft. I would try to own both just because they're both good companies and just for diversification purposes. Okay, cool. We'll have Jolly come on the live stream in a little bit. That's good. Keep the live stream going. Keep the content interesting. So mess with derivatives? No, I don't do shorts. I don't do options. I don't do any kind of derivative trading. So I'm boring. Why does Gemini and Coinbase have 1,000 limit per day? I don't know, probably for compliance. What do you think of KuCoin? KuCoin's a great way to gamble. I don't do any auto investing because I like doing it myself. But I just told you, I don't know if you were here on the live stream, but my partner, he doesn't want to deal with crypto volatility. So anyone can do this. What he did is he put in money into Blockify. He's getting paid 8.6%, and he's taking his 8.6% of his US dollar coins, and he just set up an automatic buy. So, yeah. So, to be honest, if you guys hate volatility, you hate the market going up and down, it stresses you out, setting up an automatic investing thing might not be a bad idea. He's going to get taxed. I would hold both Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you're going to sell, wait for the next like uptick, you know? You don't want to sell at the bottom. You don't want to be a paper handing sissy. I would be buying. If your average is higher, like if your Bitcoin average is higher, or if your Ethereum average is higher, I would be averaging in so you can drop your average price. I would use both, Gemini versus Blockify. I use both. Yeah, Gemini's not bad. It pays interest. Make sure, hold on, Sinister. I don't know if anyone's doing this, but if you're using Gemini, you have to turn on active trader. Do you do that? Because a lot of people pay really high fees on Gemini, and you can literally you just go on your like options tab, and you change it to active trader, and you literally it's just like Coinbase Pro. You'll save 500% on your fees. I've never heard of that. No. But Sinister, I really hope when you're buying your crypto, you're doing it on active trader. Okay, cool. Good for you. Yeah, active trader and Coinbase Pro is probably the cheapest way to buy crypto. Why so much confidence in Voyager? Well, no, I mean, I'm not just putting all my money in Voyager. I have more money in Blockify. I feel like there's more security with Blockify, but I invest in a little bit in everything. I like SPCE, Virgin Galactic, but it's getting killed. I want to get that 9%. I just got an Ether. Yeah, if you have one Ether, they pay interest. They pay you 5.25% on your Ethereum. So I would highly consider staking your Ethereum if you have more than half an Ethereum. So definitely do it. And if you're going to be using Voyager and you're happy with the service, buy the stock. You can buy the stock. No minimum. There you go. Change to active trader. Now whenever you buy or sell on active trader, you save a ton in fees. Like something that would normally cost you $1 will now cost you 35 cents, sometimes less. Or it's like $1.50. Something that would cost you $1.50 will now cost you 35 cents. So you save a lot of money on active trader on the fees when you're buying and selling. So that's really, really important. By the way, if you guys have YouTube, I want to make a recommendation. On YouTube, there's a guy named Clearwater Tax. He talks about, nice, you're starting a Blockify. I would do both though. I would do Blockify and Voyager. Do both Blockify and Voyager, and check out my referral links. I think Blockify will give you $250 of free crypto if you use my referral link. For stocks, I use Interactive Brokers. You can't beat Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is the best one. Oh nice. I'm getting ready to buy real estate once the foreclosures. They stalled evictions though. So in New York, it's only Gemini and Coinbase, right? Oh, for if you use if you click on my profile link on TikTok, I have two referral codes, and the Gemini referral code, sorry, the Blockify referral code, they'll give you $250 of free crypto if you use my referral code on Blockify, and then on Gemini it's like 25 bucks. Same with Voyager. Same with Voyager. But I don't know if they will, man. They extended the eviction more. It's like you can't evict people right now. So I don't know, man. I don't think there's gonna be a real estate crash anytime soon. Cool, man. Good luck. Let me know how it goes. All right, I gotta get off this live stream and buy more Bitcoin, dude. Shoot, $42,000 Bitcoin. That's terrible, man. Here comes the down cycle of Bitcoin. What's Ethereum's price? Can someone give me Ethereum's price? If Bitcoin's at 42,000, what's Ethereum at? If you click on my profile link, the on Blockify, there is. But here, I'll change it so you guys can see my referrals. Hold on. There you go. Those are the referral codes. Dude, Ethereum under 3,000 is juicy. I'm going to buy Ethereum when it goes under 3,000. Yeah, Section 8 real estate is the way to go. Everyone should learn from Sinister Chaos. Yes, Section 8 tenants. That's easy money right there. Easy money is Section 8 tenants. Yeah, I don't know if I would sell my Ethereum, man. I would be staking it and getting interest on it. Not showing on your name? I don't know. Yeah. Section 8 is a way to get your rental wrecked. It's Clearwater tax. He just talks about crypto taxes. I think it's irrelevant though. So I don't think you should worry about crypto taxes until you have more than 100 grand. If you have less than 100 grand of crypto, I don't think you're gonna generate enough taxable income to worry about it. Yeah, I'm gonna buy some Square if it's under 197. Okay, nice. Let me know how Interactive Brokers is. Yeah, there's a lot of good stuff on YouTube, but I would first follow the people that are doing like, how to buy a stock and stuff like that. Yeah, to be honest, there is a lot of issues. I had to pay a tenant to leave. I had to give $3,000 to get one of my tenants out. So they weren't Section 8. There's no cost. It's just the government subsidizes the rent, so it's a lot easier to get the money because like most of the money is coming from the government. So yeah, if you're making more than 60K, I think that's the secret sauce. After 60K, you want to go with a C corp, but talk to a tax professional. If you guys want to use my tax guy, it's so simple. You just put Joe taxes, Joe Eagle taxes. That's my tax guy on Google. They're all low life, but they need housing. How many shares? I think I have more than 50. I have more than 50 shares of Square. Yeah, give me Ethereum under 3,000. I'll start buying Ethereum if it goes under 3,000. Sign me up to buy some Ethereum under 3,000. Love Ethereum under 3,000. Hey, what's her name? Flaked on me. I've been waiting for Jolly to come on the live stream. Whatever happened to Jolly? Jolly said she was going to go live and then she just flaked. That's terrible. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, I was going to get Jolly to sing for us. We're going to make that a new requirement. If you come on my live stream, you have to sing. By the way, we got 35 people here. Does anyone have the ability to go live? Does anyone have more than 1,000 followers? What do you think of VeChain? VeChain's a good project. I like VeChain. Love VeChain. VeChain is legit. I'd do it if I could go live. I might have to call it. I'm going to call Sinister Chaos and make him sing. Hey, Sinister, if I call you, will you sing on the live stream? Any crypto questions for those in New York? You actually reminded me about Russell Peters. I kind of look like Russell Peters. Why are you skeptical of VeChain and Stellar Lumens? Those are all good ones. Even XRP. How do I get loans? You just open a margin account and you have to have more than $2,000. And then you can get a loan from Interactive Brokers. Oh, Chaos is working. I don't know about the future. I would buy a little bit, but I would definitely own more Cardano, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. I like VeChain, but I would own more Bitcoin, Cardano, and Ethereum. Yeah, this is not the ultimate dump. This is like a normal crypto correction. We had a good bull run, and I don't think the crypto bull run is over. I think more and more people are going to be buying crypto and using crypto. So I don't think, and we still don't have the, what's it called? The ETF. There's going to be, someone's going to set up an ETF to buy Bitcoin, and then a ton of institutional money is going to flood into crypto. The institutions, the pension funds, the people that have tons of money that want to get in the game, they haven't been able to get in yet. So right now, if you're an institution, the only way to get crypto is to buy like a Canadian ETF. It's okay, man. That means it's still a good buy. Once everyone in your family is in crypto, it's not a good buy anymore. Once everyone's using crypto, I would start taking profits because the growth is gone. The fact that people don't want to do crypto means there's still room to grow. You know, every week, every month, more and more people using crypto and expanding the market cap. Why leave money in a bank when you can buy crypto and stake it? That's cool. So people always talk about it, but I usually get the low collateral loans. So like I got a $10,000 loan on Blockify and I had to put down $50,000 of collateral. So it's a lot harder to get a margin call when you have 80% equity. I own VeChain, but still skeptical. Yeah, just own a little bit. I'm skeptical of VeChain. I'm not like fully sold on VeChain. I don't know about GBTC. I don't like that. I think there's better ways to invest. Talk more about Celsius. There's a lot of fees on Celsius. I wanted to buy $200 of the US coin, and there was like a $7 fee on Celsius. But I know you can get really good deals on your loan, and I have to pay off my Blockify loan, and then I'm going to use Celsius. Yeah. I think XRP is going to make a lot of money if you can hold it long term. Hey, Crypto Denmark, have you heard of Holochain or Harmony? Crypto Denmark, have you heard of that? I've never heard of Holochain or Harmony. Awesome, then I'll buy the coin. Wait, are you talking about the Celsius coin? Does Celsius have a coin? I don't know if Celsius does. That's interesting if they do. All right, guys. I put it into crypto, real estate, and stocks with $1 million loan. You can stake on Blockify. You need to hit $2 by the fourth quarter. Man, you guys are not patient. But hey, real talk. I finished my tea, so I'm gonna have to go to the gym. But I'll stay on for another 3 minutes because I'm waiting for Jolly to come on this live stream and sing. But if Jolly doesn't come on in the next 3 minutes, I'm gonna go to the gym, guys, and I'll do another live stream later today. Okay, Celsius has their own coin. That's cool. Oh, there we go. Hey, are we doing this live stream, Jolly? Okay. XRP isn't doing major numbers. I don't know. Yeah, 2018. Okay, cool. Good to know. What am I doing to gym today? Is deadlifts. Today is a deadlift. One sec. Can you buzz me? Well, you're going to have to go live. And then I can invite you. Okay, so what you do is it's like you post something and then you hit the cross button, and then where it says like 15 seconds, 30 seconds, whatever, there's a live button. And so you just go live, and then there's like an infinity loop at the bottom. You just click that and you can invite me. I do, what is it, 315. 315 is my max for deadlift. I do like 3 reps. So what is that? 3 plates. 3 plates. I don't think I'll ever go above 350 pounds on my deadlift because I don't want to break my back. and I can't even do it with like clean technique. Oh, you'll go live if she can't. Well, let's see. I want Jolly to go live. It's like her first time doing it, so it'd be cool to get her live. But if not, we'll go live then. Okay, cool. I'll go live with Crypto Denmark if she's unable. Yeah, you're gonna have to sing for us. You have a mask on, so you can totally sing for us. You won't break your back. Yeah, that's true. Oh, here we go. Oh, welcome.
Hi.
Thank you
How are
for.
you guys?
I wanted to thank you for being such a great moderator. You're like by far the best moderator. So, can you give some tips to Sinister Chaos? I don't think he's a good moderator. What are some tips to be a good moderator?
I'm not sure. Basically just take down notes, I guess.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, we have a special request. Will you sing for us? Since we had the other guy sing for us?
No.
Okay.
I
That's
can't
all good.
sing.
I don't sing either.
You guys
So,
don't want to hear me.
So tell us a little bit about yourself. Introduce us, like, how you got onto TikTok and like what got you into investing.
So actually the reason why I'm on TikTok is because I secretly stalk my daughter. She's on TikTok. So for a couple years I've been like, what is that? I remember Musically, but I was like, oh, let me figure that one out. About myself. So I'm a certified air traffic controller, but I'm not working as an air traffic controller now. My choices were to move to Cali. And I really didn't want to move from Florida because of my daughter. And what else? I
We're in
worked
California. We're in California. Where are you gonna move?
It was gonna be Burbank.
Okay. The real estate's not cheap there. I wouldn't want to move to Burbank. Where in Florida are you?
Fort Lauderdale.
Okay, that's a great area. I love Fort Lauderdale, Miami area. It's a beautiful area.
Yeah, I've been here my whole life, so I like it. I'm a little biased. So I was like,
I was gonna say I fly on Spirit all the time. I take the Spirit because it's like I flew twice to Miami for like $60 to Fort Lauderdale to LAX. Is that where you do your traffic controlling?
Well, so my options were like going to like Guam or California, and I was like, if I don't get Florida, I'm not gonna go. So basically, I gave up my career. But that's okay. I've been doing insurance for 18 years, and I did some real estate. So pretty much I've bounced back and forth between those two. and I got into stocks probably back in 2015. So
Nice.
I got pretty lucky. I started with Motif. I don't know if you've heard of that platform.
Mm-mm.
So yeah, I didn't really know what I was doing, but they allowed you to like make your own like portfolio on there. And
Nice.
I got really lucky. Everything I bought into, I was in solar systems at that time, photovoltaic, as some people call it. And I just got really lucky with stocks, and I just kept going. I kind
Okay.
of didn't want to disappoint you today. I was like, oh no, he wants to go live, and I'm gonna tell him that I sold the stock, and he's gonna be like, oh no.
No, it's all
I
good. I
was
mean, it's human nature, you know what I mean? Like you're gonna want to sell when it's red and you're not gonna want to buy when it's red, right? So it's really up to you. And that's why I think I told you how one of my investors, he doesn't do any of that. He just does the automatic buying, right? He just set it up where his cryptos just automatically buy every week. You know, he buys like $100 of each crypto. So sometimes, if you're the type of person that you hate volatility and you hate, the up and down, it might be better to set up some sort of like automatic investing protocol to not,
right.
not lose your nerves.
I wanted to revamp like my entire portfolio, and since I was really down on this stock, I figured you're gonna be like, why? I sold a lot of my Tesla, like just today though. The reason was because I don't want to get taxed on anything else. Everything else I'm on the plus side. I'm actually negative on my Tesla. So I figured
That's
I
actually
would sell
smart.
that.
No, that's actually smart. So what you're doing is you can do up to 3,000. It's a $3,000 tax deduction every year, and that's called like
Mm-hmm.
tax loss harvesting. So I've actually done that too. So I
Okay.
did sell, let me see, like I had some Alibaba that I was negative on, and I just went ahead and sold it because I want the tax deduction. And you're right, like you keep the winners because obviously if you sell the winners, you're going to pay taxes. And the ones that are red,
Yeah.
it's actually not a bad idea, especially if it's only 3,000 a year, you get the full deduction. If you go over 3,000, then you have to wait for another year to get the tax break. So like if you sell $5,000 at a loss, you just wait the next year, you get another $2,000 deduction.
Okay. So good. I'm glad. I was
Yeah.
like, I don't know if I should sell.
No. It's not a bad idea. And then remember, you just have to wait 30 days and you can now buy back in at a lower price at Tesla or whatever price you buy back in. Yeah. But if you buy
Right.
within 30 days, you won't be able to do the tax loss harvesting. They want you to wait 30 days before you buy whatever stock you buy. So,
Okay. Awesome.
and then
Glad to
what
hear.
about crypto? What about crypto? Have you bought any crypto or are you just watching?
So, I think I told you guys like last year I was just playing around with crypto. I bought like 1.1 million in Doge, and then I got the self-sabotage, I guess, sold a lot of it, but still kept some. I'm still invested heavily in Doge, by luck more than anything. I have Bitcoin, and I have Ethereum. Both of those are, I mean, they're okay. So just waiting, just seeing how the market plays out.
What
I don't
app are
have
you
it.
using?
Oh no, sorry, correction. I have XRP and SafeMoon. SafeMoon.
Okay.
I have
Okay, so how did you get into SafeMoon and what apps are you using to buy all these cryptos?
So I'm part of a group on Facebook. It's called Green Man Group, and basically we just talk about stocks and crypto. And somebody's like, "Oh, buy SafeMoon," and yeah, that was before you could buy it the easy way, I guess. Like you had to do Pancake Swap and all that good stuff. So that was pretty annoying, but I like it's there, it's just sitting there. I'm thinking like 5 years maybe if it's not like a pump and dump, then it's just gonna sit there for 5 years and maybe it'll go up to $1. Let's hope.
Okay, so you don't want to sell your SafeMoon? You wouldn't take any profits? Aren't you up on your SafeMoon right now?
I am. I am. I'm pretty much up on all my investments except for my Tesla ones this morning. Um, yeah. I've never bought a stock. Honestly, I've never bought a stock or a crypto that anybody else has recommended. I mean, I follow you now, but I don't listen to other people because I've done that in the past. And other than you, I've done that in the past, and they're like, "Oh, why are you buying that?" Blah blah blah. And then next thing you know, I'm like, I should have bought those options. I should have. And I'm into options also. Um, I did really well with my Apollo options, and I think that's why I was like, look into Apollo because I did really well with those.
Okay, cool. And so how much of, like, I want to talk more about your SafeMoon. So how much did you invest, and what is it worth right now?
So I invested $275, and
Okay.
at one point it was at 1,800. Right now, I didn't look at it today. It was like last I checked, it was like 1,300. So it's not
Okay,
bad.
but if you wanted to take profits, let's just say you wanted to take $650, isn't there like a bunch of fees when you want to sell your SafeMoon, or how does that work?
So I believe that they charge you like 10% for administration fees. It was like a total of like up to like 35 to 45% that they take. So
Wow. So then in reality, even let's just say your SafeMoon goes to $10,000, you're only going to get 5,000 because they're going to just charge you a bunch of fees.
technically, so I heard.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really, really interesting. So yeah, I mean, in a way, it makes it where no one wants to sell and people keep buying in because it's like you see this value, like, oh, my SafeMoon is 10,000, but it's really not 10,000. It's really, it's interesting how they did that, and
Yeah.
that's
And my
interesting.
plan was to sell that one. So I have other things, like I have some stuff that I'm like, okay, I'm definitely going to sell this in a month. I'm going to sell this in a week. I'm going to
What do
sell
you
this
want to
next
sell?
year.
What are you thinking of selling? What cryptos are you thinking of selling or trying to get out of? Which cryptos?
Um, good question. Ethereum Classic, as soon as it goes up. Don't
Yeah.
know why I decided to buy. Okay, so I bought it by accident. I bought 50 of them by accident. I was like, dang it. So then I asked my group, I was like, what do you guys think? And one of them was like, yeah, that never works out when you buy stuff by accident. I'm like, darn it. So I'm being hopeful that it will go back up a little bit and then I could just get out of it. But if not, oh
Did you
well, it's
buy it
not
on
that much.
Robinhood, or what did you buy it on?
I did buy it on
Did you
Robinhood.
If you bought it on
So I know.
Robinhood, man, just take the red because you can tax deduct it. That's the one cool thing about Robinhood is because like if you buy on other exchanges, you have to use there's like a service you have to use to get your losses. You have to pay like $60. I don't remember what it's called. But the cool thing, if you buy and sell on Robinhood, you get the tax
Oh my,
deduction.
look who's in my live. Hi Ryan. He's over
Oh, it's
here.
Ryan. Nice.
He'll be live on Thursday, actually.
Okay.
He's
That's dope.
popping into. I'm in the meeting. How to?
Hey, by the way,
Okay.
thank Ryan because I would have never met you if it wasn't for Ryan. So thank you, Ryan.
Thanks, Ryan.
But
He said he's
so
gonna go to the meeting.
okay. So this is what I would do. You have 50 Ethereum Classic, and
Mhm.
how much of a loss if you sold half right now? How much of a loss would it be? Like $500, $1,000? How much is it?
I gotta look. Around there. Yeah, around there.
Yeah, if it's less than $500, I would just go ahead and get out, and then maybe try to buy another asset that's probably better. Are you more stocks or are you more crypto?
Both.
No, no, no. So
And
what? You're
options.
50-50 in options. So
I
what percent is stocks? What percent is crypto?
wow. You're more of a numbers person than I am. I'm just kind of like a doer. I'm like, yeah, we're gonna do some of this. We're gonna do some of that. I want to say I'm like 20% options. And then the rest evenly between stocks and.
Okay, so 20% options, 40% crypto, 40% stock, right?
Correct.
Okay. And then for your crypto holdings, what are your top three cryptos that you hold right now?
Deutsche.
Doge is number
Like
one,
money
right?
wise, monetarily speaking, like which one I have more money in, or
Yeah.
more.
Which ones are
Okay,
just top three?
Bitcoin,
Yeah. Okay,
Bitcoin,
Bitcoin.
Dogecoin, and third one, I don't know. Everything else is like pretty much.
You have
I
everything, a
put
little
about.
bit of everything.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are your thoughts on like Cardano, Chainlink, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash? Do you have any of those?
So I had Litecoin for a while. I sold it once it went into the $250 mark. Yeah, I sold that one. Cardano, my sister. I wish my sister was here. Actually, she's a huge. Like she has the 8 monitors. One day I'll do a live with them on there. My
Yeah,
sisters.
please do.
They
That would be
have like
awesome.
all the monitors and stuff, and like for years I'm like, what are you doing? They're like, I'm mining right now or whatever, and I'm like, oh my god. But yeah. So my sister has a lot of Cardano. She likes it. They also like. There's another one. What's the one with the P? It's like very popular.
Polkadot. Polkadot is really good. Polkadot. I love
Yeah,
Polkadot.
Polkadot too. Okay, so my brother's heavily invested in Polkadot.
Okay.
And
What about
then
you?
chain.
Why don't you got it? Why don't you have any Polkadot? That's a great crypto. Why not?
So I'm looking into it. I'm learning a little bit more.
Sell half
Definitely.
your safe moon. Sell half your safe moon. Put it into Polkadot.
That's so bad.
Because you're still up on your safe moon, right? If you sell half your safe moon, you technically still have profit, right? It's not like, and if obviously if safe moon goes to the moon, you're still gonna make,
So it was such a pain in the butt to like purchase it that I'm like, I'm never gonna get out of this. I don't I don't even know.
that's
Like I
why.
don't even
That's why it's a good crypto. Safe moon's a great crypto now. Now that I know, this is why no one sells their safe moon. Okay, it makes sense now.
I don't even want to know what it takes to sell it. I could just imagine. So yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, check out so you don't use Voyager? You don't use Voyager for your
Uh,
crypto?
I will definitely do some voyaging, if that's a word. I'm definitely gonna try it. I just like I said, I've been revamping a lot of my stuff, so definitely in the next week or so, I'll get more into it. I just purchased a new phone, so I'm waiting to transfer all my information and do all that good stuff, and then I'll be on it for sure.
Did you see how Voyager pays 9% on the US dollar?
I like it. Every time you mention it, I'm like, oh, I gotta do it. I gotta do it.
Yeah.
I gotta get on
I
there.
put in 10
So
grand. So on the first, you got to come on my live stream on my first. I'm going to flex on all my Voyager payments. But
okay.
yeah, I'm trying to get people to take advantage of that because I know a lot of people have cash with banks and like, they have crypto sitting in other exchanges. Like it's not necessarily bad to use Robinhood to buy like your Doge because like I think it only pays you 2% for Doge. But like if you want to buy Polkadot, it makes sense to buy it on Voyager because you're going to get 8%, but you need to buy a minimum of like 25 Polkadot to get the interest. So yeah, I try to recommend that, and you can get also interest on Blockify as well. Do you use Blockify?
So I was just about to ask you how you feel about Blockify. Actually, you
Most of my
use Blockify.
cryptos on Block. Yeah, because it's really hard to move your crypto out. So actually, my real estate investor, he asked me to give him some of my crypto as collateral
Hmm.
because he's like, okay, if I'm gonna put $1 million into Blockify, you need to give me some crypto. So if I lose my money, you also lose your crypto. And what's crazy with Blockify, it takes like 3 days to move your crypto. And what's crazy is you have to send them your driver's license front and back, and you have to do a selfie on your phone to move any crypto. And so like that security is kind of like annoying. But remember, if you start having large amounts of money, like let's just say you have more than 100 grand in crypto, I prefer it in Blockify just because of all the security. Like if I ever want to send it, you literally have to wait 3 days. So if someone does hack my Blockify account, I'll get a notification and you can immediately cancel it before the 3 days before they move it out. So
That's awesome.
when it comes, yeah, when it comes to security, even though the interest is not as high, like they don't pay as high of an interest rate, I just like the security in Blockify. So I actually have more money in Blockify just because I don't want my crypto to get hacked.
Yeah, and I'm very security oriented with my insurance background and everything. Like I'm all about like, hey, notify me, let me know what's going on. So I'm definitely gonna lean towards that a little bit more. But I love the live. Thank you so much for inviting me. My phone's at like 5%.
Okay, let's
Fine,
do
you
this again
guys.
soon. Okay, bye bye.
Absolutely. The
Thank you for
invite.
coming
Bye guys.
on. Bye bye.
Absolutely.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna reset it so my volume's better. All right, here we go. It's $100 minimum. Yeah, Jolly was cool, guys. Love Jolly. She was cool. Go on Polkadot's Twitter. What events posted for Polkadot? Yep, you get 8%. I feel like her phone wasn't at 5%. That's a great comment. Yeah, she's cute. What's the minimum for Voyager, so we got that. I like Gemini. Gemini's a good service. So if you're going to use Gemini, just make sure you turn on Active Trader. If you have any questions, you can ask Sinister Chaos. He uses Gemini. But Gemini is actually not a bad way to not only hold crypto, but you get interest. So I like Gemini. I recommend Gemini. Is that Blockify or Voyager? This is Voyager. This is Voyager, but Blockify is similar. Oh, okay. You're responding to Kelly. Go on Voyager's website. They'll give you, yeah, there you go. No, Blockify. Yeah. Yeah, Gemini's a good way to start. It's Polkadot. Pokafy. I love Gemini. All right, guys. Yeah, there you go. Sinister Chaos has a link for Gemini on his profile. Is Voyager safe? I think Voyager's safe. Yeah, I bought the stock too. It's a publicly traded company. So it's like in America, it's publicly traded. So I think Voyager's safe. I have 12. If you have 6 different wallets and brokerages, I have 12. Blockify gave me nothing. No, you gotta wait. If you use the referral code, you gotta wait. It's like they don't give you the bonus right away. What's up? How we doing, Jax? Yeah, let me go ahead and work out. I put 2K in Interactive Brokers. What do I do next? You have to make sure your account is on margin, and then literally you can transfer. So you just go on your Interactive Brokers, and if you put in 2K, you have to first buy $2,000 worth of stocks to get the loan. So if you have $2,000, you need to go start buying stocks, and then what you do is you can borrow on your stocks. That's how you basically borrow on your Interactive Brokers. So I think once you have 2,000 in your account and you have margin enabled, you could literally just buy like 5 stocks and you can borrow on it. Can you move your crypto from one wallet to the other? Yes, except Robinhood. You can't on Robinhood, and I don't know about Cash App. I think you can on Cash App, but you can't on Robinhood. Yeah, and there's like gas fees. Yeah, that's right. All right, guys, I gotta go work out. So thank you very much for coming on this live stream. If you guys are bored, I'm gonna post this live stream on YouTube. So check out my YouTube channel if you get bored and you wanna listen to some live streams while you work. What's up, Pierre? Sorry, I gotta end this live stream, but I'm gonna come back. I gotta go to the gym so I can look fit and buff like Pierre. Thank you very much. Check out my YouTube if you're bored, and I should come back on very, very soon.